Go.
Hello mga ka-soldering. So for today's video, ang papakita po namin sa inyo ay ang X-Acto #11 blade. So the X-Acto #11 blade is a specific type of blade commonly used with X-Acto knives. It is known for its sharp point and is ideal for making precise, detailed cuts. To use the X-Acto #11 blade, follow these steps. Number 1. Ensure you have a clean and stable work surface. Number 2. Insert the X-Acto #11 blade into the handle of the X-Acto knife, making sure it is securely in place. Number 3. Hold the X-Acto knife with a firm grip, but maintain a relaxed and controlled hand position. Number 4. When cutting, apply gentle pressure and make deliberate, controlled movements. Number 5. Always cut away from your body and keep your fingers clear of the blade. Number 6. Use a cutting mat or a protective surface to prevent damage to your work surface. Number 7. When finished, carefully remove the blade from the handle and store it safely. It's important to exercise caution when using any cutting tool, including the X-Acto #11 blade. Always use a sharp blade for precise and clean cuts, and replace the blade when it becomes dull or damaged. Please note that the research results provided are for informational purposes only. Always refer to the manufacturer's instructions and exercise caution when using any cutting tool. And that's for our today's item. Subscribe po sa our YouTube channel. Thank you po.